I am Ignacio. This is Highway 2. I am on my way to Islip Saddle. It was a beautiful, cold, rainy, and foggy morning. This road is also known as Angeles Crest Scenic Byway. I'm gonna make another video for my other YouTube channel of the complete beautiful scenic drive. If you like to watch it, I'm gonna leave the link on the description of this video. This highway connects Los Angeles from La Cañada all the way to Rywood, but it's been a couple of years that has been closed exactly to the point that we're going today, the Islip Saddle. Hopefully in the future they open again. Today we are hiking to Little Jimmy Campground. It is about 4.2 miles total with an elevation gain of about 900 feet. Dogs are allowed, but they must be on a leash. Across the parking lot, you will find the end of the forgotten Highway 39. I made a video that talks about that. Click on the link to watch it. And on the left, you will find the trailhead. As you can hear, it was a very windy day, but I left the sound of it so you get an idea. Also, this trail is part of the Pacific Crest Trail. In the background, you can see Mojave Desert. And by the way, this is the only glimpse of sunshine we had this day. The first half mile was easy to follow, but eventually we found some patches of snow and later on it got really snowy. By the way, I hope that you're enjoying the video. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for your support. In about a mile, we'll find this fire road. We went to the left by mistake, not knowing that it was the wrong way. I'll show you, and then I'll come back here. So if you end up hiking on the wide fire road, you're actually on the wrong trail. Go back to where you found this fire road and start all over again, right here. That's the way we're going. And that one is the wrong way. Don't go to the left. Always come prepared. Bring plenty of water, warm clothing, micro spikes, and always let your loved ones know where you're going to be and when you're planning to return. Safety first. was supposed to snow up here today, but you know Mother Nature. Instead of snow, it gave us rain. It was beautiful still. Our intention was to make it all the way to Ice Sleep Mountain, but the conditions were not the best. We realized that it was not safe because the snow was getting deeper and deeper, and also it was getting steeper. So this was my second attempt to go to Ice Sleep Mountain, and I fell again. But it's okay, there's no shame on that. The mountain will be waiting for me. Always safety first. Click on the link if you'd like to watch the first video of my attempt. Eventually, I'll make it up there. If you're new into backpacking, this is perfect for beginners. It's only 4.2 miles total with an elevation gain of 900 feet. I made a playlist with places to hike in the snow. It's gonna appear on the screen. Click to watch them. Just keep in mind that some of those places might be closed due to the wildfires. Thank you for watching and your support. Until next time.